Welcome back to Glam Tones. My name is Gigi, and let's go ahead and start with a little art from underneath the nail. I don't know what everyone's calling that trend, but I think of it as a peekaboo situation, like a little peekaboo art. And we are going to start by making some seeds, some watermelon seeds, to show underneath the nail. And there you go. That's just really making sort of a teardrop shape. The watermelon seeds are very teardrop in shape. So that's all we're going to do here, and I'm going to do that on all 5 nails. The reason I don't have footage for you of all 5 nails is that it would be a little repetitive, but also I made a couple filming errors when I did this set, but as you can see, we've got that across all the nails. And now we're going to come in with a rich, juicy pink. You could do red. I chose pink. Red would be maybe a little more effective covering up the seeds, but we're going to mirror the seeds on top as well, so it actually doesn't really matter if they show through a tiny bit. And there's going to be a lot of layers of polish here, so on at least 3 of them. So it's not really going to show as much as you think. Plus base coat helps keep things down from being too bumpy, right? Now on 2 of these we are going to make Frenches, and again using that pink color. Excuse me, my allergies are out of control right now with summer, so even though, let's be honest, when it's over 100 degrees, the chances I'm going to go outside during the day are very slim, and it only happens when my dog needs to go outside. So that's why my hours are so messed up right now. I'm mostly surviving at night, and me and my dog go out at night mostly. Not, if he needs to pee at 10 in the morning, we go out at 10 in the morning, right? Don't get me wrong. But for our walks and stuff like that, mostly in the middle of the night, like 4 o'clock in the morning, that kind of thing. So now I'm going to go ahead and put a white coat down across all 3 of those nails that have a full pink, because we're going to do green on top for the watermelon, and I don't want the green to look like there's pink underneath there. So 1 coat of white, a nice juicy pigmented white, is going to take care of that for us. But you need to make sure it's a thin coat, because it's not going to want to cure on top of that pink. And that is a problem I had, and I had to buff out the nail and then come back in and recoat it in white. So very, very thin. And again, very, very thin with this green. You do not need it to be fully opaque. You just don't want the white to fully show through under our glitter, because we are going to do glitter. And so really splay that brush out and get that polish as thin as possible. And that's with your white coat and with your green coat, because there is, you could have some problem with bubbling and wrinkling and it not curing completely. Now we are going to do a French line with the green to keep the watermelon going across all the nails, right? You want it to look watermelon-y. And even though a slice of watermelon would go smiling the other direction, we're not going to worry about that. They're nails, right? It doesn't have to look 100% like a watermelon. We're just going to enjoy doing what we're doing. And as you can see, here we are doing our seeds. Sorry, my brain farted. We're doing our seeds on top of the same spot where the seeds were, and that's only going to happen though on the French nails. The other ones you're not going to see. By the time all the polish is on there and the glitter is on there, you are 100% not going to see those seeds showing through. So, and here's our glitter. This is called Gaudy but Gorgeous, and it is from Light Elegance. I only have 2 of their potted glitter gels, but they are fabulous. They really are. I need to get more. That's just, Light Elegance is not on the less expensive side. And of course we are given the glitter to that smile line as well, and then coming in and glittering the 3 nails that we did the full colors on. And I love that glitter. Look how pretty it is. I think it's a perfect color too to do watermelon nails with. I don't know who the artist was on the cup that I saw, but shout out goes to the inspiration where I saw somebody do this on a glass, and that's what made me decide to do this. And here we go. I'm sorry you didn't see me put the gems on, but again, like I said at the beginning, there were some errors in filming. That's going to happen sometimes when you make a lot of videos. There you go. Guys, I hope you like this set. I think they came out so cute. I've got lots of more ideas for the future sets, so be sure you subscribe, and we will see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.